Hey everyone, this is Natalie from Serpstat. Welcome back to our channel. And for today's video, we're still going to be discussing about Serpstat. But before we go ahead and do that, I just want to get you some insight about this lead generation tool that we have at Serpstat. So if you're interested in a tool that will allow or will get you white label audits for your website, then we definitely have that one here in Serpstat. All you have to do is fill up these short forms, that one for the audit and this one is for the free guide. If you want to get or if you want to have an idea on how Serpstat works, then you can definitely take advantage of this guide. So that's it. Very easy to access. All you need to do is to just supply the information needed and then you'll be good to go. Alrighty, so with that being said, let's go back to our main agenda for today, which is to discuss about the remaining topics under SEO research of the keyword research function in Serpstat. So here, let's go ahead and click on related keywords and see what it will display. So remember that the keyword that we're going to be using is SEO agency because this is what we entered during our review of the overview of the keyword research overview. So that's what we'll be using all throughout. So here you have related keywords to SEO agency. So these are the related keywords that Serpstat had analyzed. So like the previous section, it contains metrics for keyword difficulty, volume, cost per click, pay-per-click competition, and connection strength. So what is connection strength? Because it's for me, this is a new term. So it is a number of URLs in the top 20 results which are ranked by the search keyword and the keyword from the report. So that is what connection strength is all about. So remember, if you are not familiar with some terms or if you find that they are a bit confusing and are wondering how exactly they work, then just click or hover your mouse on the terms and you'd be getting the some form of explanation regarding the specific term. So this one, these list pertains specifically on the keyword related keywords for SEO agency. So that's what you can expect from this specific feature. And that is where our video ends for today. Just a quick one. I just wanted to show you how related keywords are being analyzed here in Serpstat, specifically for the keyword research tool. So I hope you had some insights already about this and that this video is helpful in deciding if Serpstat is the best tool for you. But yeah, don't forget to like this video, leave some comments if you have any takeaways or any thoughts whatsoever about the tool or your experience maybe with Serpstat as a whole. And also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you guys again on the next video and thank you for watching.